In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your ETH to your Bitrue account, allowing you to manage your cryptocurrency efficiently. Begin by opening the Bitrue application or website on your device. Once the platform is fully loaded, you should see the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your account and assets. This screen is essential for navigating. Next, locate the Assets tab on the main menu. Clicking on this will reveal various options related to your account holdings. Look for the deposit option and select it. This action directs you to the deposit area where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. After that, you will see a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Scroll through the list and select Ethereum or EET. This selection will take you to the Ethereum deposit section where you can find your unique deposit address. Once the Ethereum section is open, you will see your ETH deposit address displayed prominently on the screen. To proceed, copy this address by clicking the copy icon next to it. Ensure you have copied the entire address correctly, as any mistake could result in the loss of your funds. Now, open your Phantom wallet application. Upon opening, you will be greeted by your wallet's interface, which shows your token balances. Look for Ethereum in your list of tokens and click on it to access your Ethereum wallets. After selecting Ethereum, you will see options related to your ETH balance. Click on the Send button, which is typically located near the top right of the screen. This will open a new window for you to enter the details of your transaction. Next, paste the ETH deposit address that you've copied from Bitrue into the designated field. This step is crucial as it ensures that your Ethereum is sent to the correct location. Double check the address for accuracy before moving on. Following that, enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to send. Be mindful of your available balance and any transaction fees that may apply. Ensure that you are sending the correct amount to avoid any issues. Finally, click the Send button to initiate the transaction. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction details. Review the information carefully, and if everything appears correct, and confirm the transaction to complete the process. Depending on network conditions, the transfer may take a few moments to process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.